Need some class variables or methods? Well, come on, let's learn some Java. Instance variables belong to objects. Each object has its own copy. Class variables, however, belong to the class and are shared by all objects of the class. Use the keyword static to declare a class variable. So when would you use a class variable instead of an instance variable? Well, for instance variables, each object has unique data. For class variables, each object shares the data. So some examples would be keeping account of how many objects you created, constants that are shared across all the objects, or values that are common to every instance of the class. Consider this class for car. It has instance variables color and VIN. The VIN is a unique number for the car. It also has a class variable for car count. Notice that it's declared private static int. The static says that it's a class variable. We're going to keep track of the value of car count in the table to the right of the class. Car orange equals new car and pass it the color orange. This would create a car with the color orange, a VIN that has the value of car count plus 1, so in this case 1, and then it would increment car count to 1. Then if we create a car blue, we would get a blue car with a VIN value that is car count plus 1, or 1 plus 1, which is 2, and then car count would be incremented to 2. Car green equals new car green would give us a car that is green that has a VIN number of 3, and a car count would increment to 3. All of these cars are being manufactured at the same location, so we could also have a class variable for loc, for the location of the factory. In this case, MI for Michigan. Now before you move on, practice what you learned in the Java playground. Just click the links below and be sure to like and follow.